Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu base-CCMA, they really work. Sakhile is fired now. He decided that he was going to go to CCMA and then tell them everything that has to do with his job because he was unfairly treated due to ubudedengu wendodakazi yakhe. Now I'm just thinking here, will he ever win it? Because Lalela Jackson has eyes and ears everywhere. So does that mean he won't get justice? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abshini molweni minjani yipukile hingangwina so namuhla ka nongwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma ku risula sithabisa kange kahle looking at the fact that Uba Jackson Mthembu was almost bambulala ngompu bebamkhwambe ngompu ePhakhanda. So then Pendulo is on the run because each and every police is looking for him and questions have been asked all over. Kodwa kutholakala ngathi uPendulo nje he's just nowhere to be found. On the other hand, he's a bit uncomfortable noKayise, and then he decided that he was just going to tell the truth once and for all because uKayise does not understand the distance between them. There's this discomfort that happens between her and Ufanyana. Then Ufanyana that decided to say Lalela nginemizwa ngawe, and well, uKayise did not take that very well because considering the fact that ganobudlelwane no Mpendulo, who actually told her ukuthi mina angilali nabantwana abancane. Anyway, uKayise then who decided ukuthi uzomshaya Ufanyana, wamshaya nje ngempama ebullo. On the other hand ke uZwelethhu decided ukuthi uzusiza uSakhile because now umfana kaSakhile is lost and the only person that is gangster like that uZwelethhu, and uZwelethhu is like he's here to offer help, but I'm a bit worried when he starts saying izinto ezifana nokuthi ngiyakusiza ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi the day I will need the help you will be there to help me. Guys, that for me sounds very gangster. I don't know about you because manje kushukuthi kahle kahle uSakhile uyamkweleta uZwelethhu. Now the question is ubugebengu bakaSakhile, how far is he willing to go? Because now makungena uZwelethhu kushuthi nje kushubile time you give when I puma when I bring in when I